6 times 8. And then 6 will break up into 2 times 3. 8 will break up into 2 times 4. 2 and 3 are prime numbers. 4 can be broken up into 2 times 2. So we can rewrite this as the 4th root of 1, 2, 3, 4 twos times 3 minus 2 4th root of 3. Because the index is 4, I'm going to circle groups of 4. So I'm going to take out a 2, so you're left with 4th root of 3 minus 2 4th root of 3. 7 times 2 is 14, 4th root of 3 minus 2, 4th root of 3. You have the same radicand. You've got a 3 and a 3, so you can combine these together. 14 minus 2 is 12, and then you have to keep the radical. So you have to keep the 4th root of 3. Questions? All right, let's look at number 4. 10 square root of 28 plus cubed root of negative 56. First question, do I have the same index? Do I have the same index? What do you think, Liana?
No.
No, because the index for this is 2. The index for this is 3. So if you don't have the same index, they cannot be combined. So that's why it's important for you to check at the beginning, because you can save yourself a lot of time. Don't worry about simplifying 28 and 56 when they don't even have the same index to begin with. Any questions about that? All right, let's look at number 5. We've got the square root of 98x to the 4th y squared minus 3x squared y squared of 2. So this is a little bit different because now we have variables, but it's the same idea. You first want to check if you have the same index. Do I have the same index? What do you think, Nancy?
Yes.
Yes, you do. What is the index, Nancy?
2.
2, good. So we have the same index, so let's just go ahead and break down the radicals. 2 is already a prime number, so you don't have to break it down any further. 98 can be broken down into 2 times 49, and 2 is a prime number. 49 can break up into 7 times 7. And both of those are prime numbers. All right, let's go ahead and rewrite this. So we've got 2 times 7 times 7, and then 4 x's and 2 y's. Minus 3x squared y square root of 2. Like Nancy said, the index is 2, so I'm going to circle pairs. So I can take out a 7, I can take out an x, take out another x, take out a y, and we're left with square root of 2 underneath the radical, minus 3x squared y radical 2. X times x is x squared y, square root of 2, minus 3x squared y, square root of 2. Here's the extra thing you have to check for when you have variables. So you're going to automatically check and see that you have the same radicand, which you do. You have square root of 2 and square root of 2. But then you also need to make sure that you have the same variables and the same exponent. So you have to have, if this has an x squared, this better have an x squared. If this is a y, this better be a y. So x squared, y, y, we're good. Now we can go ahead and combine the coefficients. So 7 minus 3 is 4. You're left with x squared y square root of 2. Any questions on that? All right, last one, number 6. We've got the cubed root of negative 40, a to the 7th plus 2a squared. First question, do we have the same index? Do we have the same index? What do you think, Hannah?
No.
No, we don't. This doesn't even have a radical, and this is a cubed root. So you don't have the same index. Don't bother simplifying. You just know that they cannot be combined. That's as far as it's going to go. Any questions about number 6 or any of the problems for that matter? All right, then. Does anyone still need the screen before I switch it?